Okay, so we talked about this YouTube niche in my previous video, which is going viral at the moment, but I came up with an easier way which you can create content easily with just these two AI tools. If you could tap into a viral YouTube niche that's getting millions of views, generates passive income, and its content is so easy to make, won't you be tempted to get started? This YouTube channel is combining three powerful niches, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. As you can see from here, they launched their first video about 2 months ago, but in that short time, they've uploaded a new video every single day and already gained over 450,000 subscribers. In just 2 months, this channel has accumulated over 12 million views. That's how insane their strategy is. This is true YouTube automation made simple. Other creators are using ChatGPT for the script 11 Labs for voiceovers, separate tools to generate images, and then editing all of it using CapCut. Well, forget what you know about complex editing or juggling a dozen AI tools. Today we will be using only one AI tool, which is CapCut. If you're looking for an untapped goldmine for your Faceless YouTube channel, stick around. And no, this is not a sponsor video. If you're ready to automate your content and scale your earnings like never before, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Digital Princess so you don't miss more game-changing AI income strategies. This channel creates relaxing sleep content by telling historical stories from the viewer's perspective paired with ambient sounds and soothing narration. This blend of immersive storytelling and calming audio helps transport the audience to the past while fostering a peaceful, sleep-friendly atmosphere. The best part about these videos is that they are typically more than 2 hours long, which means more ad revenue from a single video. Additionally, the videos don't take much time to edit. In fact, you can create an entire video in less than an hour thanks to this one AI tool. So if you are looking to make YouTube your permanent gig, this niche could be the goldmine you've been looking for. Check out this demo I created using this AI tool.
The name Akhenaten may not come easily to mind, and that is no accident. He was, for a time, the most powerful man in Egypt. Then, almost as swiftly, he was scrubbed from memory, his name chiseled out, his monuments broken, his gods forgotten. But once he stood at the very heart of the empire, and he dared to do what no pharaoh had done before or since. To understand his story, we begin in the middle of the 14th century BCE, during the
first step is to come up with intriguing topics for these videos. While CapCut's AI video maker can generate scripts, we're going to leverage ChatGPT to create our script. But to make things easier, I have a prompt that I recently found which simplifies everything. First, go to the Google Doc I mentioned and look for the video topics heading. Copy the full prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. You need to specify the number of topics that you want the AI to generate, but I'll go with 10 for this demonstration. Once that's done, hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. As you can see, it's generated topics in the same style as the channel we're modeling. So go through and pick whichever topics interest you. If you don't find any that you like, regenerate as many times as necessary until you find one. The next step is to generate the full script. The channel we're modeling creates exceptionally long content with videos typically averaging around 2 hours. Head back to the Google Doc and look for the script heading to generate your script. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The only thing you need to add to this prompt is the topic you've chosen. So look through the ones that ChatGPT generated and choose the one you want. Replace this placeholder with the topic and hit enter. So the prompt is structured to create scripts and parts. All you just need to do is type continue after the first generation. It simply means that the AI is expecting you to type that word to move on to the next section of the script, so type continue and wait for the AI to finish generating the next section. As you can see, the section is done. Simply repeat this process for the remaining sections until your entire script is generated. If you need any segment to be longer, simply ask ChatGPT to expand it before moving to the next. This part is very easy. Once you have your full script from ChatGPT, it's time to move to CapCut AI Video Maker. Head over to CapCut and look for their AI Video Maker. Click on Instant AI Video. Let's bring in our script. To ensure the process isn't overwhelming and to streamline production, we'll create the videos in segments. Begin by pasting your introduction and the first segment of your script into the designated area. Then select a video style. For this kind of video, you can select from these various video styles. I chose prehistoric. Next, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. For the voice-over, select your preferred voice. I particularly like this one, then simply hit generate. CapCut AI will then process your text, generate appropriate visuals based on the script, create a suitable voiceover, and even lay down initial edits and captions. It's mind-blowing. Here is the result. How amazing! It even added subtle keyframe movement. If you're not satisfied with the images created, you can regenerate all the images or a single image. Just click on Scene, click on Media, then Generate AI Media and choose a new video style. Then hit Generate. Amazing, right? Now that we have our script and video ready, we are moving on to our next step, which is to add elements and music, which can also be done right here with minimal effort. Let's start with elements. Click on Elements. The first thing we'll do is remove any auto-generated caption templates. The channel we're replicating doesn't use subtitles likely because the goal is to help the audience relax and fall asleep while watching the video. Next, the AI editing feature automatically highlights keywords, ad stickers, music, and sound effects. You can select which of these elements you want in your video. For this niche, I only need the sound effect set to medium intensity. It will be added to your video in no time. Next is to add background music, but since this is just the first segment of our full video, we'll export now. Then you'll repeat this entire process for the remaining segments. Simply create a new project for each segment. Copy and paste the script, and CapCut's AI will automatically split it into scenes. Select a voice for the narration. Remember to remove any subtitles before exporting. You'll do the same for segments 3 and 4. Now that we have all the video segments, we open a new project in CapCut. Drag all the videos accordingly into the timeline. Once everything looks the way you want it, go to Effect and look for the Vapor effect. The channel we're modeling uses this one, and you can even add the spark effect if you have CapCut Pro. For background music, you don't need anything special. Instead of a traditional soundtrack, the channel we're modeling simply uses a soft burning sound effect. You can grab one from a platform like Pixabay. Just make sure you select sound effect, search for fire, and play a few for one that sounds just right. I like this one, so I'll go ahead and download it. Add it to the timeline, then duplicate it until it covers the entire duration of your video. Don't forget to decrease the volume if it sounds too loud. The video looks all right now, so you can export it at either 1080p 2K or 4K. And now we have come to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, do 3 quick things for me. Smash that like button to tell the algorithm this video matters. Subscribe to AI Digital Princess for more YouTube automation niche ideas like this. I'll see you in the next one.